In today's video, I'll show you how to create snippets in HubSpot using the Snippet tool, a simple but powerful feature that helps you save time by inserting ready-made text blocks into your emails, chats, and notes. Whether you're in sales, marketing, or customer service, snippets make communication faster and more consistent. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to hubspot.com. Once you're on the homepage, click the log in button at the top right corner and enter your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your HubSpot dashboard, your main control center for all tools and activities. Now, let's access the Snippet tool. From the top menu, click on the settings icon or navigate to your library or conversation section, depending on your HubSpot plan. In this area, you'll find all your saved resources and tools that help streamline communication. Next, locate and click on Snippets. This is where you'll see any snippets that have already been created, or you can start making new ones. To create a new snippet, click on the Create Snippet button. It's usually highlighted to make it easy to spot. A new window or form will appear where you can write your snippet content. Here's where you can get creative and practical. Your snippet can be anything from a standard greeting, a sales follow-up message, a support response, or even a product description. The key is to keep it short, clear, and useful. Remember, snippets are meant to save time, not overwhelm your reader. You'll also see a field for a shortcut name. This is what you'll type in later to quickly insert your snippet into messages. For example, you could use something like /intro or /thank-you to instantly add your saved message. Once you've written your snippet, double check it for accuracy and tone, then click the Save Snippet button at the bottom. Congratulations, you've just created your first snippet in HubSpot. Now, let's see how to use it. When you're writing an email, note, or chat message inside HubSpot, simply type your snippet's shortcut code and it will instantly appear. This feature is incredibly useful for repetitive responses, ensuring consistent communication while saving time for your team. If you ever need to edit or delete a snippet, just return to the snippet section, find the one you want, and select Edit or Delete. You can also organize snippets by team or topic to keep everything tidy and accessible. And that's it. You now know how to create, save, and use snippets in HubSpot using the Snippet tool. It's a small feature that can make a huge difference in productivity, especially if you send a lot of similar messages each day. If this tutorial helped you out, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe for more simple tech and marketing tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring everything HubSpot has to offer. You'll be surprised how much easier your workflow can become once you master its tools.